Hey folks, so today we have the COMFIER massaging heat knee brace. So looking forward to testing this out. Full disclosure, the company did send this to me in exchange for the video. Thought we could get this thing unboxed, give you a bit of a demonstration, show you how it works, and hopefully this will be helpful to you. So let's see what's included here. Okay, so this has been nice and tightly packed here. We have the main AC power adapter, put that to one side for the time being. And there's the knee braces themselves, two included, of course. And here we have the connection, which is where you connect your AC power plug that we just took out the box. And then the braces themselves are also connected by a cable, but you can disconnect that. So just opening one of these up. And if I unplug it from the other, I can show you that a little bit up close and personal there. I've got to say this material feels very soft, well padded, and it uses some Velcro straps here to make sure that this is going to stay on your knees. So whether you want to sit down in a chair, perhaps lie down on a couch or even in bed, then these are going to work absolutely fine. But let's go ahead now. That's pretty much the unboxing complete. Put these on and see how they work. Okay, so right now, I haven't actually got them connected. I just want to see if it works with one. As you can probably hear, it absolutely does. So you don't need to daisy chain these if you only want to put this on one knee at a time. You can do, of course, and that's what two are included for. But for the purposes of this example, let's just connect this one to my knee and see how it works. So I'm obviously in a sitting down position, which means that the flexibility of this is going to come into play. So let's go ahead and do these straps up here, starting with the top strap. There we go. Bend this over. Get that strapped on as well with the Velcro. As you can see, even with a bent knee, that fits, no problems whatsoever. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And I can definitely feel that straight away. We have the heat function. And then at the top here, we can toggle through the various vibration modes for the main massage. And already, just as I'm fiddling about with the settings here, I can feel this thing is heating up to a nice temperature. So if you have cold knees or if you have issues where you do need to apply warmth, then just for that reason alone, these are going to be really, really helpful. Okay, and it seems the final toggle on the massage function is just a constant vibration. So if you don't want it to increase and decrease the level of vibration in the various patterns, then you can just have it on non-stop. But incidentally, you can also turn the vibration off completely, as I have done now, which means that it is just giving off heat. So if you just want that heat but don't actually want the vibration, you can absolutely use these for that function. Now, there are no controls on this second one. Of course, this will only work when it is connected to this one, so the control system here will adjust both at the same time. But overall, these do feel comfortable to wear, and as you've just seen, very simple to use. 30 seconds to take out the box, strap it to your knee, and it's good to go. Okay, folks, so I'm going to be giving these over to my wife now. She's going to be the primary user of these COMFIER massage and heat knee braces. I think she's going to like them. Thanks for watching.